two left hands. I'm too lazy to go back inside. I'm just gonna make this work, okay? So today, we're turning this hot mess into a backyard garden oasis. Beverage of the day, I'm actually switching it up from iced chai. And I got this new kombucha stuff, and it's like, if you guys don't know what kombucha is, it's basically like fermented probiotics. It's got like vinegar and peach, yarrow. I don't really know what's in kombucha, but it's really addictive and it's really good. Do you guys know how much you can drink every day? Can I drink this every day and be okay? I don't know. I mean, it's a health food, so I think it would be okay, right? I don't know. But this stuff is so good. If you guys have never had kombucha, I recommend it. It's so good. I've put up some posts the other day, and these are going to be the posts that my grapevines are going to grow up eventually. To be honest, I'm probably not even going to live here at that point, but resale value, right? We're gonna, I always say we on these videos, it's just me. People are like, do you have another person with you that we can't see? I don't know. I am going to make the garden boxes look really pretty, and then I got a bunch of coral bells and lavender, and it's this plant called Silver Artemisia. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing right, but it's this like kind of silvery, velvety bush that you can use as like edging, and I think it's gonna look really pretty over time with like the purple of the lavender and the silver of the, but I don't want to say bush because I have a dirty mind. The edging. Anyways, so I'm gonna make this look badass and pretty and kind of like English cottage. I don't know. Let's get started. You guys come help me out. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. I have 2 brown thumbs. I kill everything I try to grow. I'm kind of shocked I've kept my dog alive. The next time I decide to do another project, please, somebody talk me out of it. Jungle, garden beds, grapevines. The weed eater is kicking my ass, you guys. The bags of gravel that I bought to put around these beds, I have to carry like 100 feet from my car to my backyard. They're like 50 pounds a piece. I'm dying. Why do I do this to myself? What the hell am I doing? I don't know. If you guys want to come help me, I'll supply beer because this sucks. What do I do for fun while I'm off for a week? I don't think I've eaten for a day. Today I'm living off iced chai. Today we're buying some rocks. I gotta get like 20 bags of rocks, and then I gotta come back and get like 25 bags of mulch. I'm just working out in the yard today. My hair looks like shit, so I'm wearing a hat because I'm gonna be working outside anyways. This is so heavy. Sees me struggling and just looks at me. What the heck? I'm all for equality, but I'm okay with a guy helping me. Just saying. I can't. I'm not even faking this. Can I push it though? Oh my gosh. It's so hard. Like, can't forget my ice chai. It's nice out. Skip the gym, get your hip workout, and lift some rocks. Sorry, phone.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. don't know the half of the abuse. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. To the room of people who have rooms of people that their lives won't take. Tucked away. Just because we check the guns at the door doesn't mean our brains will change from hand grenades. My friends are heathens, on the psychopath sitting next to you. You're loving on the murderer. Wait for them to ask you who you know. My friends are heathens, take it slow.
Product mostly finished. Hey, there's a blueberry plant. Got some grapes, got the mulch. We've got this horrible wire that, see, this is what I was talking about. See how it's kind of like velvety? It feels awesome, and it's really just going to kind of like fill up that space and give it a nice edging. Still need to clean out the garden beds, but I think it looks so much better. Hey, Chester. Just finished A Storm's Coming. As soon as I walked by, a huge branch fell in the back of my yard over the fence over there. Yeah, right in there. That huge branch just fell as soon as I walked by. Terrifying. But yeah. Well, this is perfect. Like, my plants that I just planted, they're gonna get a nice rain.